Hi, I'm Christy Wong. Welcome to my channel, Use Healy. In this episode, I am going to talk about how to set up the HEALAdvisor Analyze 2 app. Sometimes we call it the Blue app or Analyze app. Okay. Now, this particular app is only required if you're using the Healy Resonance Edition, the Resonance Plus, Healy Professional, or the Healy Meridian Analysis module. Now, before you set up the Blue app, the Analyze app, or the HEALAdvisor Analyze 2 app, you must, okay, first set up the Healy 2 app, which is also known as the Pink app. Okay, now also get ready beforehand the email. Make sure that you log into your email that is readily available because you need to get a verification code from there. You will also need the Healy username and the Healy password ready for the logging in. Okay, then you can set up this particular app in the Android phone, your iPhone, tablet, or the iPad. So today I'm using the iPad, and I'm going to share the iPad with you so that you can see the whole process. Okay, so now I'm going to the, please check this. Check that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth has been turned on in the device that you are going to install the app. And then if you're using iPhone, go to the App Store. If you're using Android, you go to the Play Store. So I'm going to the App Store and I'm going to use the search below or the search bar over here to type what I'm looking for. So I'm going to type HEALAdvisor and it will come out two versions, HEALAdvisor Analyze and Analyze 2. The first one is the old version and the 2 is the new version. So we want the Analyze 2. So I'm going to tap on the Analyze 2 and you will be able to see the 2 icon. All right. So this is the old version. So we do not want that. We want the new version. Okay, identify and recognize the icon. So this is what I want. I'm going to download. Once the download is complete, I'm going to press open. Okay, whatever they show here, you just pick allow and allow. Okay, now before I continue, okay, make sure that the first thing that you have to make sure is that your Healy device has been turned on. So when you turn on your Healy device, there will be a yellow light that will be blinking. Okay, yellow light that's blinking. Once it's ready, I'm going to continue. I'm going to do next, and I'm going to check these 3 boxes here and sign in. Okay, now when you sign in, this is where you key in your username and then key in your password. And there is another box over here. I'm going to check that as well so that you will always remain logged in. Otherwise, you will have to log in each time you use this particular app. So I'm going to log in. You just wait and you just follow the instructions. Okay, now this is the step where they will ask you to enter the verification code that has been sent to you to the email. So now I'm going to share with you the email so that you can see it. So over here, Healy verification code, all right? So this is the email that I will click to open. All right, and here, right below, 835047, this is the one. So even if you do not click it open, you can still see it over here. So I'm going to key in 835047. 835047. Done. Submit. Okay, so you will see that there are 5 modules over here. You will have, if your version is Healy Resonance, you will only see Resonance Healy, Resonance McHealy, and Resonance Database, only the first 3. If your version is that of Healy Resonance Plus and Healy Professional, you will see another 2, which is the Aura and the coaching as well. Okay, now, so if let's say if yours is a Healy Resonance, the Aura will appear, but when you click on the Aura here, it will say buy. If you click on the coach, it will say buy, B-U-Y. Huh? So that means yours is a lower edition. So now, if this account belongs to you, you go to me, M-E, me, and you press on this icon, you will be able to see your information. Okay, so this will be your information, your name, your birth date. So your name here is already automatically input for you because these are the information that you provided. So over here, the display name, you can actually change it to, let's say your nickname. So you can just put a nickname like this. And then for your birth date, for birth date, it will be easier if you select your year first and then select the date and then select the month. Then after that, if you are staying in a big country where you have the country, the state, and the city, this is the order that you put. Put the country first, followed by the state, followed by the city. All right, if you live in Singapore, that will be easy. It will just be Singapore and then the gender. Now, do you have to put all the other information? There is no need. Okay, just stick to up to the gender will be sufficient. So picture here, you want to add your picture, which is required for the aura analysis. You would click add, and then you can use your camera or you can upload an existing photograph. Then over here, record vibration. Okay, yours would be empty if this is the first time that you log in. So now I'm going to show you how to do the recording of the vibration. So again, check that your Healy is on with the yellow light still blinking. And then I'm going to click on the plus and it will show you the instructions very clearly here. Place the Healy device in your right hand of the person to be analyzed. So sit still, all right, sit still and wait until the recording is done. After that, it will display the profile. So now, before I record, I make sure that the yellow blinking light is on. Then I click record vibration. I must click connect. And here, click on search for device. Okay, now if you have more than one device, you will be able to see all these lists over here. So if you choose the wrong device, you will not be able to complete this step. So make sure that you look to the back of the Healy device and confirm the serial number and pick the correct one. So the recording is taking place right now when you see the wave. So hold the Healy on your right hand like this. And when it's completed, you will be able to see that this icon will have the wave. Okay, so once this is done, you would have completed the setup. So if you wish to set up for your family members or friends, then what you do is you go to the clients. When you go to the clients, you press on the plus over here. Okay, before I do that, I just want to talk about the message on top. Now, if you are a previous user, let's say you were using the old app, and now you want to update to the new app. So what happened is that they will prompt you with this message that says migrate now. So migrate now means that all the client lists in the HealAdvisor Analyze 1, which is the earlier edition, all that will be migrated over here so that you do not have to re-enter all the information again. Okay, but now I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you that when I press add to add a new person or animal, plant, and all that, so you can select whichever that you want. I'm only going to show you the person. So over here, you can key in any person whom you want, and it must be the official name. All right? So let's say this person is Amanda Lim. Last name is the surname. All right? Display name, by default, it will be the first name and then the first letter here, like as you see it. But let's say if you want to change it, okay, to, let's say, my love. Yeah, so you can change it to a nickname that you want. Okay, if the person is with you, repeat the same process of recording the vibration. But if the person is not with you, you may actually skip the recording process and go on to the next stage where you will complete the birth date. You will enter the place of birth and then enter the gender. Okay, so normally I would fill up to here. Okay, yeah. And you can then continue with your analysis. But I'm not going to talk about the analysis here. This is only setting up. So now I'm going to bring you to the settings here. All right, the settings. And what is the setting all about? The first one here, account, means that if you have more than one family member account, then what you can do is you can log out after one family member use it, and then the next family can log in with their own account information. Okay, so this will allow privacy. Each have your own account. That means that you won't be able to see each other's scanned results. But if you wish to all the family members share the same account, by all means, right? Okay, now my Healy here is, let's say if you have more than one Healy device or a McHealy device and you want to switch over to a McHealy, okay, maybe I can show you that. So this is a McHealy device. So now I want to switch over to connecting to my McHealy. I will say connect to another device. Then I say yes, I want to disconnect. Search for the device, and now, okay, I'm going to choose the McHealy and I'm going to do the connection. Okay, so this is possible only if your McHealy has the Meridian module. Okay, so now you can see here it's already linked to my McHealy. So I want to proceed first with the language. If, let's say, you are doing the analysis for different people and you need to change the language, these are your possible choices. And language, turn off sound, okay? Now, what is the sound? At the end of the analysis, when it complete, there is the sound of a clanging bell. There's a bell. So if you like the sound, then you can turn this on. If you do not want the sound, you can turn this off. So advanced setting, you will not need unless, okay, unless you are doing the chakra or the aura analysis, okay? So otherwise, I will not talk about this right now. This is just to let you know that these are the other settings that you can use for the aura and the coaching. So then the last one is the manual. So the manual over here is has all the screenshots, you know, to guide you in the whole entire process. So you can refer to this manual over here. So now I'm going to bring you back to show you. If you have connected to the McHealy Meridian analysis, you will only see one module over here. You will not see that 5 modules that I showed you earlier. Okay. All right, so that will be for setting up the Healy app for the Healy device as well as for the McHealy device. Okay, now regarding the manual, okay, I have compiled a very detailed manual for serious users and advanced users, for those who really want to understand and maximize the device. Okay, now the Healy reports here, I have compiled some examples and case studies to show you how to interpret the reports. So this is the Resonance Health and Happiness Handbook, especially for advanced users. So you can get this through me. And this is the email that you can write to, healypedia@gmail.com, if you wish to get a copy. So this particular book is 100 pages, A4 in size, and everything is full color, and it will explain to you every single type of programs that is listed over there and how to actually make good use of them. Okay, so I hope you find this setup clear and useful to you. I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you how to do the resonance Healy scan, okay, for health, as well as the resonance database scan for the emotions. Okay, and all the other subsequent videos will cover the different modules in the scan. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Thank you.